Hey guys, welcome to the Learning English Today channel.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this channel is your go-to resource for mastering the English language. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Today, we're going to delve into English vocabulary and example sentences centered around daily life activities. From morning routines to cooking meals, from household chores to equipping your living space, it's essential to enhance your knowledge of the language used in everyday life. Let's get started.
Wake up. I wake up early every morning to start my day. Brush teeth. After breakfast, I always make sure to brush my teeth. Take a shower. I prefer to take a shower in the evening before going to bed. Get dressed. Before leaving the house, I take a few minutes to get dressed. Eat breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I always make sure to eat a healthy one. Go to work. I commute to work by train every day. Have a meeting. I have an important meeting scheduled for this afternoon. Answer emails. I spend the first hour of my workday answering emails and organizing my inbox. Make a phone call. I need to make a phone call to my colleague to discuss a project. Take a lunch break. During my lunch break, I like to go for a walk and get some fresh air. Attend a class. I am currently attending an online class to learn a new skill. Do homework. After class, I have to do my homework and submit it by tomorrow. Cook dinner. I enjoy cooking dinner for my family every evening. Watch TV. In the evenings, I like to relax and watch my favorite TV shows. Read a book. Before going to bed, I like to read a book to unwind. Listen to music. I love listening to music while I'm working or doing chores. Go grocery shopping. I need to go grocery shopping to buy ingredients for tonight's dinner. Clean the house. On weekends, I set aside time to clean the house and tidy up. Do laundry. I have a pile of laundry that needs to be washed and folded. Meet friends. I'm meeting my friends for dinner at our favorite restaurant tonight. Go for a walk. I like to go for a walk in the park to enjoy nature and clear my mind. Take a nap. Sometimes I take a short nap in the afternoon to recharge. Pay bills. I need to sit down and pay my bills before they become overdue. Check social media. I often check social media to stay updated with my friends' lives. Write a diary. Every night I write in my diary to reflect on my day and record my thoughts. Relax in the evening. In the evening, I like to relax by listening to calming music or practicing meditation. Set an alarm. I always set an alarm to ensure I wake up on time in the morning. Use public transportation. To reduce my carbon footprint, I prefer using public transportation instead of driving. Pack a lunch. I pack a healthy lunch to bring to work every day. Go on a date. Tomorrow I'm going on a date with someone I met online. Have a family dinner. Every Sunday, my family gathers for a special dinner together. Attend a party. I'm looking forward to attending a friend's birthday party next weekend. Visit relatives. During the holidays, I plan to visit my relatives who live in another city. Go to the gym. I try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week to stay fit and active. Go to the cinema. I love the experience of watching movies on the big screen at the cinema. Attend a concert. Next month, I have tickets to attend a live concert of my favorite band. Plan a vacation. I'm currently in the process of planning a vacation to a tropical paradise. Go on a trip. My friends and I are going on a road trip to explore new places. Take photos. Whenever I travel, I love taking photos to capture the beautiful moments. Practice a hobby. In my free time, I practice playing the guitar as my hobby. Write a to-do list. Before starting my day, I always write a to-do list to prioritize my tasks. Have a job interview. I have a job interview scheduled for tomorrow morning. Attend a yoga class. I enjoy attending yoga classes to improve my flexibility and relieve stress.
Congratulations! I hope you enjoyed learning these new vocabulary words. Please stay tuned for more videos on this account to continue expanding your word bank. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.